Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are very good, and in this video I am going to show you how to comment in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to comment in your Crunchyroll, just simply click into your Crunchyroll application and open it. And after going into the Crunchyroll, just simply go into any of the anime episode where you want to comment. For example, I'm selecting this Solo Leveling and I'm going into the first episode of Solo Leveling. And after going into the Solo Leveling or any of the other episode of other anime, you will see this comments option. Just simply click into this comments option and then you can easily post any of the comment into here. Just simply tap here at the bottom and write down your comment. You can also mark it as a spoiler by ticking this box. And now just simply click into this button and your comment will be posted into here. By following these very easy steps, you can easily comment your thoughts on any of the anime episodes. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.